Trento to Mezzana by train. This nice electric train, I'm told. It's very good for the environment, and obviously green travel is what we like to see on ECIU challenges. So it was maybe 1 hour and a half, a little bit of a delay. That's fine because we had some fun activities on the train. There was an escape room challenge that the teams competed in, and yeah, it was a lot of fun, I think. And now we're just walking to the hotel. Past the beautiful scenery, there is like a fast-flowing rapids that people can, I think, do some rafting or kayaking on if they want. So excited to see the hotel and have a dinner tonight all together for the first time.
Basically, this guy is having his birthday yesterday, but he couldn't celebrate it because of traveling. So everybody is celebrating the birthday in their own languages like Spanish and Italian to celebrate this guy's birthday.
Okay, let's go for I don't know, Pakistan. Yeah.
Pakistani guys, yes, come on. Urdu, yeah, Urdu. Go for it.
Let's go.
Yeah.
What song or something?
मेरे दोस्त तुम्हें मुबारक हो सालगिरह, तुम्हें तुम्हारे मुल्क में हो मुबारक सालगिरह. We are so happy to have you here. सालगिरह मुबारक, my friend. Wow!
عيد ميلاد سعيد عيد ميلاد سعيد عيد ميلاد ديفيد
Everyone, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to David. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you everyone.
Yeah.
All the singers. Everyone sing very well. Thank you very much.
Hello guys, finally we are here at the project site. This is Trento was amazing. Trento was absolutely amazing, but this place which is called oops, I forgot the name of the place at that time, but you know why? Because of excitement and fast track travel, I was feeling really exhilarated. However, this place called Mezzana, it's fantastic art of nature. I could easily inhale the lovely fragrance of green mountains in the surroundings, and because of really low population of about only 900 residents, this land was really close to nature.
टकरा चुके हैं हमसे मुसाफिर यूं तो कहीं दिल ना लगाया हमने किसी से किस्से सुने हैं यूं तो कहीं ऐसे तुम मिले हो ऐसे तुम मिले हो जैसे मिल रही हो इत्र से हवा काफिराना सा है इश्क है या क्या है ऐसे तुम मिले हो ऐसे तुम मिले हो जैसे मिल रही हो इत्र से हवा काफिराना सा है इश्क है या क्या है
Great to be able to continue to participate in kind of cross-European educational collaboration, because being from the UK, we are very sadly for me left the European Union in 2016, and therefore we're no longer part of Erasmus, EU and therefore ECIU projects. So for me to be in Norway and therefore have the opportunity to continue to be part of ECIU and meet all you wonderful people from around Europe and beyond is really nice. So I've really enjoyed this experience.
Co-working space, everybody goes to the co-working space of Incooperazione Trentina. Incooperazione Trentina. Yes. What else? And beautiful station, we're just heading there. Follow us.
Yeah, let's go. Unfortunately guys, my phone is just about to die. I'm not having enough battery, but just because of the beautiful nature and scenic view here, I would love to record everything that I can. This place, from my personal experience, there are no words, no sentences in any language which can describe the beauty of this space. This place, it is really amazing, covered by beautiful mountains, surrounded by amazing beautiful nature. And imagine how amazing would it be for the people who are living here. And look at these smiling faces. She's loving it.
Of course I do.
So good. Which cow would you like to purchase here?
That's hard to say. I like that one, the brown one.
The brown one.
Oh, there's a small one there. Have you seen it? Oh, there's a